guys, we're in Rotorua this weekend. We've rocked over Rotorua, Bay of Plenty in the North Island, and this is a cool weekend. Actually, it's the open day for the toy shed. It's an awesome workshop in Rotorua. It's cool. They build hot rods, muscle cars, drag cars, you name it, man. They just do everything. It's really cool. And then the Sulphur City Hot Rod Club running a mystery rally and dinner and a bit of a do here tonight. So this is going to be cool, man. This is an awesome weekend. And then tomorrow into the Rotorua swap meet. So cool. What an awesome weekend in Rotorua. I mean, this is going to be cool. So yeah. Jump in, we'll come for a cruise, and we'll go and have a look at some cars and have a look at a workshop. This is going to be awesome. Epic day up. Cheers. Welcome to the Toy Shed Open Day 2022. What a wicked way to kick off a weekend in Rotorua in the hot rod and muscle car scene. First up on the Saturday morning was the awesome Toy Shed Open Day. This annual event coincides with the Sulphur City Rod and Customs annual pre-swap meet run on the Saturday. It's an awesome chance to get amongst the workshop and catch up with the crew to check out some of the awesome builds that are happening, as well as the previous builds turning up. It's not often you get the chance to do this, with everyone being so busy these days. To have the chance to wander around a shop and yarn to the crew is just awesome. The workshop areas are impressive to say the least. The lineup of engines for sale as you wander in, and the bench covered in superchargers for sale certainly gets you thinking possibilities straight away. It's like every cave dweller's dream, really. The multitude of hoists with cool looking projects on, ranging from hot rods and muscle cars to stunningly cool GT40 and a very staunch supercharged V8 race boat isn't something you see every day. Russell Lowe, the owner of the toy shed, has been around the hot rod, muscle car and drag racing scene for way too many years to count. From staunch as wild Camaros to crazy supercharged V12 Model A's and wheel-standing gas Chevys. If he's not peddling it to make it smoke tyres, he's behind the scenes helping somebody else who can. The toy shed also encompasses a front store from the Pro Parts franchise, supplying performance parts and a huge stock on hand to just grab and go to keep the projects happening, or the wheels turning in most cases. Wandering around the workshop and into the back rooms is certainly impressive to see what's going on. The engine room and the current builds underway is a cool mix of modern technology right through to the good old get a couple of big carbs on their old school technology. With a fair amount of builds these days heading into the wannabe economical technology, these guys certainly are keeping up to date with it all. I always chuckle when someone says they're going injection for economy, as if the big cam huge heads have no side effect on that at all. Out the back into the panel area brought a whole new line of thought. The custom work going on in here with forming metal from chassis to fenders to dash clutches is truly awesome. To see the work involved creating some of these creations before it gets covered up is awesome and shows the talent and skill involved to do so. It's a one-stop shop this, from engine building, panel work to running gear and tuning. It all goes on in this huge workshop. As it goes for these open days, the streets turn into a hot rod show all by themselves. They create an excuse for clubs and a bunch of mates to get together and come for a cruise and get amongst the day.